Hello, welcome everyone to the video presentation about images. So let's start. As beginning, we can look what are the contents of this video. So the main content is image, and there are 5 questions we are explaining in here. The first topic is image file formats, and the next topic is image file sizes, and the third one is what is image file compression means, and what is the requirements of image file compressions, and also the next topic is the 2 types of the image file compressions, and the last one is explaining about the main image file formats. The next step is the image file formatting explanation. So there are a lot of image file formats in the world. Image file formats are standardized means of organizing and storing digital images. Also, an image file format may store data in an uncompressed format, a compressed format, or a vector format. Image files are composed of digital data in one of these formats so that the data can be rasterized for use on a computer display or a printer. So the next step and next slide will show image file sizes. There are a lot of image file sizes can show using a computer, and every image have some file sizes and every image have a resolution. So file size is determined by the number of pixels. So the aim is to find out how many pixels in the image contain. Since the resolution is 300 dpi, it means that each inch is 300 pixels across. Then we will explain about the main topic, image file compression. The image file compression is the process of encoding or converting an image file in such a way that it consumes less space than the original file. It is a type of compression technique that reduces the size of an image file without affecting or disregarding its quality to a greater extent. And also, image files typically are larger than the text files. Also, web pages often contain many images that can be transmitted across connection that can be slow. Also, explanation about image file compression.
Images make up most of the weight and file requests for most web pages. By optimizing images, you can make your website lighter and faster. If you compress images correctly, you don't need to compromise on the quality either.
And the next step is file compressions. File compression have 2 types. The main 2 types are lossless and lossy. Lossless have 3 examples. First RAW, second PNG, and third one is DMP. And the next type is lossy type file compression. Lossy type have 2 examples, JPG sample and GIF as an example. Explanation about the lossless compression. Algorithms reduce file size without losing image quality through they are not compressed into a small file as a lossy compression file. Also, when image quality is valued above file size, lossless algorithms are typically chosen because it lets you recreate the original file exactly. And the next slide will show the lossy compression. This algorithm takes an advantage of the inherent limitation of the human eye and discard invisible information. Most lossy compression algorithms allow for variable quality levels, and as these levels are increased, file size reduces. The main topic is the image file formats. There are a lot of image file size and image file formats there. We will explain the main image file formats. And the first one is, and popular one is, JPG, which stands for Joint Photographic Expert Groups, is a lossy format, meaning that the image is compressed to make a smaller file. The compression does create a loss in quality, but this loss is generally not noticeable. JPG files are very common on the internet, and JPG is a popular format for digital cameras, making it ideal for web use and non-professional prints. And what is next? Next is BMP. BMP or Bitmap Image File Format is developed by Microsoft for Windows. Due to BMP being a proprietary format, it's generally recommended to use TIFF files. And the next one is GIF format. GIF is a graphical interchange format files that are widely used for web graphics because they are limited to only 256 colors, can allow for transparency, and also can be animated. GIF files are tropically small in size and are very portable. And the next, PNG format. PNG or portable network graphic files are a lossless image format originally designed to improve upon and replace the GIF format. PNG files are able to handle up to 60 million colors, unlike the 256 colors supported by GIF. And the next type is TIFF file format. TIFF is tagged image file format, are lossless image files, meaning that they do not need to compress or lose any image quality or information, allowing for very high quality image but also larger file sizes. And what is last one? Last one is PICT. PICT is a graphics file format introducing on the original Apple Macintosh computer as its standard meta file format. It allows the interchange of graphics and some limited text support between Mac application and was the native graphic format of QuickDraw.